That's what a quarterback does. Quarterback, 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 snack, quarterback, snack. I've never been to a tailgate party, but I feel like I would be a hit. They make a lot of good snacks. I'm a snack guy. I'm really a snack guy at heart. At the bones. And I don't even watch football, but I'd go for the snacks. Block. Blue 42, snack. Hey folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastro, and I don't know if you can tell by my sheer size that maybe I wasn't built for football. I was built for football snacks. It's true. Now, I love watching, not the game, but like sometimes pre-game they show the tailgate party going on in the parking lots of these massive stadiums, and you see tons of awesome snacks. It's like cheese dripping down cheeseburgers, deep fried chicken stuffed in a rib. These are all real things. But what about for the vegan football enthusiast? Like my girl Ellen. Ellen, I know you're a Saints fan. I'm sure you've been to a tailgate. I think this little friendship we have here is warranted for a decent vegan tailgating snack. Shall we? Hey Ellen, want to go to a football game with me? We'll go snack some food at a tailgate party. Oh, I'd love to, Matt. That's a great idea, but there's nothing for me to eat at the tailgate party. Oh, you're wrong, because I'm going to make you the most amazing vegan snack ever. It's going to be a deep fried cauliflower sandwich, and you're going to love it. And it's going to be spicy, it's got pickles, and it's going to be so good. Oh, Matt, where would I be without you and your amazing vegan treats for me? Let's go on a date night. Because it's date night with Ellen. Oh, Ellen, it's your date night. We're going to a tailgate party. All right, so you're hungry at a football game. It's time to make some cauliflower sandwiches. First things first, preheat your deep fryer to 375, nice and hot. And now we're gonna make our batter. We also already have some beautiful cauliflower steaks cut up. A steak of cauliflower, who knew? Who knew? All-purpose flour, it's gonna go in the larger bowl. I'm gonna take a little bit of cayenne pepper, sprinkle it in, and a little bit of salt. Really important to whisk it dry first. Get it in there, mix it around like it's a football play. Cutting up the middle, going left, going right. Club soda with ice in it. I'll tell you why. When you make your batter, this actually helps it remain nice and fluffy and crispy when it hits the oil. It's not necessary, doesn't have to be on ice. You just find the combination of carbonation and ice really helps. Just kind of add the club soda to the bowl and whisk that all around. It's all about finding a good consistency. You don't want it too thick, you don't want it too loose. All right, and this is the consistency we're looking for. It's still thick, but not too thick. It's pliable. We want it to lightly coat the cauliflower. If it's too thick, and it goes into the fryer, it almost creates like a gumminess around the cauliflower. We wanna make sure that that doesn't happen, but we also wanna make sure that the batter doesn't fall off. It's like finding a perfect batter world. All right, so our batter is perfect. Now we're gonna take our cauliflower steaks, throw in the batter, make sure it's fully covered, and then deep fry it. Goes in the bowl, give it a good turn. Like I said, you want to make sure the entire thing is covered. And then get all that excess drip off the cauliflower. Into the fryer. Before you let go, just kind of move it around a bit. That way it doesn't stick to the bottom of the basket. Now what's great about this dish too is it's fast, it's super crunchy, it's got great flavor. The fried cauliflower really does take on a lot of the flavor of everything else you add to it. You can also use rice flour too, so if you're trying to go the whole gluten-free and vegan thing, use rice flour and then omit the bun. And they're like vegan chicken wings too. It's like 2 recipes in 1. You're welcome. All right, so our cauliflower is fried. Super important, once they're all battered up and crispy, you want to just lightly salt them while they're hot. That way it absorbs some of that salt. Take a beautiful bun. Get a little iceberg lettuce down on the base. Okay, lettuce down. Take one of our nice crispy cauliflower steaks, just put it on top. Grab a little spoon of hot sauce. You don't want to go too crazy on the hot sauce because you really don't want the batter to get soggy. That's just sad. Some pickles on top. Grab that top bun. You have some vegan mayo, which uses no egg or milk, but soy milk and sunflower oil. And there you go. Got a vegan snack for the tailgate party. You're probably wondering, Matt, what makes a good tailgate snack? I'll tell you. You can fit a beer in one hand, a sandwich in the other. You can walk around and be like, hey guys, enjoying the game? You know you've nailed it. Go team, yay sports. Ellen, this could be us. Wearing track pants at the game, crushing amazing fried cauliflower sandwiches and a beer or two, cheering on your Saints. This could be our Sunday. Just the two of us. We can make it if you try. Just the two of us, you and I. Well, there you have it, folks. Another episode of Date Night with Ellen. Oh, Ellen, it's your date night. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those ding, ding, ding notifications, and leave a comment down below. If you've ever been to a football game, what's the best tailgate food you've ever had? Go now. Ooh, 42. Who's blue and who's 42? That's what I want to know.